Hey there, Backroom Builder here with another quick idea on how to make some Lego plants. In this case, I'm going to be making a Lego cactus. It's a fairly straightforward build. Essentially, you take one of these coral pieces. It's been released in the last few years, so it's been out there a little bit. First time I saw this was actually in the Winnie the Pooh set. This was used as part of the tree, but you can use it for making a cactus. First part is you just grab a little green flower piece here. You stick that on the bottom, and that allows you to stand the cactus up on the plate. And then you take some more of those little flowers and you put some of the pink flowers on top for kind of the flower or the fruit part of a cactus. And then you just spread a few of them around here. Just kind of scatter them a little bit on the cactus. And there you go. You have a fun little pink and green cactus. This will be great for a little Western scene. As we have in the Western United States, we've got a whole bunch of these all over the place, and they're flowering in August, and so it adds a little bit of color to the usually brown desert. So anyway, they're fun. You can add a little bit of color to your Lego display. I'll catch you next time.